Hi, this is Deborah Clutter, and I just want to make a short video and tell you what's going on. I bought a new gimbal for my camera, which is most of the time my camera is my iPhone. I do have an expensive camera that I use for filming shots, like if I'm doing, what do you call it? A block or something, a pattern. But actually I haven't used that in a while because I've been doing a lot of long arming. So I bought this gimbal because you guys were complaining that I move too fast in my videos when I'm trying to show something, and you get seasick. And I have to agree, it was pretty bad. I'm not a professional, so this is a hobby. Just trying to bring you guys some content maybe that will help you or that you want to watch. I don't want to be a professional. I don't want to have a little, intro and some tagline or something like that. I just want to be a real person. That's all. So anyway, I bought this gimbal and I'm hoping that it'll work pretty good. I kind of like the follow on it. I don't think it's probably going to be appropriate for everything I do, but we'll see how it works. So what I've been working on for the last probably week and a half is I've been building a new website. Well, I didn't have a website before. I've had one in the past, but I decided I wanted to build a website because I wanted to keep track of my downloads for my patterns that I have on my YouTube channel. And right now I can't tell how many times they've been downloaded. I don't have any metrics on them, no analytics. So in order to do that, I looked at Google Forms to try to do that. That wasn't going to work out for me. So if you put your pattern on a website, you can have a tool in there that'll give you metrics on how many times it's been downloaded, and you can control the security and do all that kind of stuff that you have to do. So that's what I decided to do. So I looked at different hosting options, and I decided on Hostinger. That's just a weird way to say that. That's the web hosting platform that I chose, and I chose them because they were a little bit cheaper than some of the other ones. And the website is built on WordPress, which is a content management system. And I looked at Joomla, I guess that's how you say it, Joolma. I looked at their content management system, and the architecture was a little bit different, and I thought the WordPress was a little bit easier, maybe, I don't know. But anyway, I kind of like the idea of the plugins for the WordPress. You guys probably don't even understand what I'm talking about, I don't know. But yeah, I learned a lot about it. It's a little bit different than websites I've built in the past. I built websites with Dreamweaver and Adobe Illustrator. I have built a club website for my guild using Club Express, which is actually a great platform for clubs. I mean, they have everything already built in. You just got to put your content in there. But this way I have to use plugins for everything. Plugin for the editor, a plugin for the downloads, a plugin for, yeah. And then, of course, if you want more functionality, they make you pay for that too. So it's like never ending. So I've been taking a week or so just to figure out how all that works and what I needed. And so I built something. So you can go to Declutter Studio, all one word, D as in Deborah, clutterstudio.com, and check out my website. There is not a lot on it yet. If you go to the free downloads page, that is the only page I've been working on, and I kind of got something on there so you can go and download some of my patterns all in one place. And there's a link to the video next to the pattern, so if you want to see how to make the pattern, you can go there. You don't have to search through the catalog on YouTube, which it can be kind of hard. I mean, even I have a hard time finding the right video sometime, Okay, where did I put this video? So I think this will be easier, and then I can link up my patterns to my website from the YouTube channel and hopefully manage them a little bit better. And eventually I'm going to have a 3D printing store. So there is a link to a store. Nothing works on it right now currently, because that'll be the last thing I do, because I've never built a store before, and so I have a lot to learn still. And so we'll see, you know, managing all the financials and the legal stuff for my business is the stuff that overwhelms me. So that'll be the last thing I do. Anyway, hopefully I'll get the videos, and then I'll put, I'll put all the patterns and the embroidery patterns and the quilt patterns on there. And then I'll put, I have a page for videos that I'll put, you know, different types of videos in a category, so you can go on there and look at them if you want. So I don't know what else I'll put on there, but who knows? I'll be surprised. So I got a couple of things I want to show you real quick. I gotta put my glasses on because I'm having a hard time with my eyes today. I tried to make this video once, and I had smeared all the makeup off of this eye right here, so it looked really small compared to the other eye. It looked pretty bad, but this one has really been bothering me. It's really dry and burning a lot, so I've been rubbing a lot today and putting eye drops in it. So I did a lot of 3D printing this last week, and I had a lot of people from my guild that wanted to order some stuff, so I wanted to show you what I made. So this is a ruler holder, and this filament is called Black Magic, and it's kind of shiny. It's got glitter, and it's a dark blue. And so this is the large ruler holder, and it'll hold 7 rulers if you put it this way, and I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if you put it this way. And I think it turned out really pretty, and hopefully Vicky doesn't mind showing all her stuff. So I just wanted me to print her a little featherweight bobbin box in red and green, and this is what it looks like. And so when you get these boxes, you have to open them the opposite side, and then there's the little bobbins clips inside there, and I think this turned out really good. And it's a nice little box. And so I was printing a lot of stuff in that blue filament I just showed you, and then I had to buy some more. And the company is called Cookie Cad. I know, it's weird. And it was quite expensive. So, and then I made some binding clips in the same color, which turned out really nice. I had to throw a whole bunch of filament. Filament is the stuff, the plastic that this stuff is made out of. Threw away a whole bunch of it today that I'd had for many years because it just kept breaking. So she also wanted a long arm bobbin box, and this one is made out of the same filament. And here are the bobbin clips. And these are made out of Cookie Cad, and they are glitter, but they are clear glitter, and I think they look really good inside the box. So, hopefully she likes those. Let me see what else she had 4 of those boxes, so I think that's it inside of Vicky's. And so, what else we got? Another featherweight bobbin box. This one's bigger, and I think this one holds 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 24. It holds 24 bobbins, and so I think it looks really good in the green kind of singer color. What do you think? I'll have to put these all back nicely in their bags. And then of course she wanted the Singer attachment box, and this is what it looks like. And hopefully it doesn't look like it's upside down. When I'm looking at it, everything looks upside down. So, because I'm filming with the front camera, so everything looks a little bit weird. And then what'd she get? Some red binding holders. So that was hers. And then Kelly ordered, she wanted a green, my brain just went blank, a green holder for her rulers. And so I made this one for her, and it was a large one. And then I just finished her bobbin boxes today. So she wanted just a regular bobbin box for her, you know, just class 15 bobbins. And they have the same color bobbin clips. I don't usually like printing the bobbin clips the same color because I mean, they just kind of blend in. I think it's a little nicer to print them in a different color. So anyway, that's what I've been working on, and so I'm gonna show you also this quilt that I've been working on. Working on a charity quilt, and this is a strip tube ruler block, and I can't remember what she had called this, but I'm going to do a little video on showing you how to make this block. And then at night, I was just going to put some patches in between here that were just solid. And then I was sitting there thinking about it at night, and I thought it needs something else. So I decided to snowball those blocks, and I think it turned out really good. And here is the kind of what the pattern will look like when it's finished. I kind of did this in EQ8 and in AutoCAD and in Adobe Illustrator, because I will have a pattern that I'll put out for it. And then I got really adventurous, and I made this block from So Kind of Wonderful, and I have the ruler, and there's 67 pieces I think in this block. Let me see if I can get this. And yeah, I'm not, it's supposed to be, you're supposed to make a whole quilt, but I had to take it apart several times because I messed up. And I'm not really sure I really want to make another one again. So we'll have to see what's happening with that. I have my dress and plate that I've been working on. I got all of those done. I finally got my sewing machine back from the shop, so I could attach all the resin plates to the muslin. And so now I just got to sew the rows together. And I think I'm going to put a muslin border with a half resin plate on the sides, and we'll see how that goes. I think it'll look okay. I mean, I have 30 of these, and I only used, let's see, 16. So anyway, that's what I've been working on. I've been trying to finish a whole bunch of, you know, just miscellaneous stuff that I had laying around, like this. So this is a project bag I made yesterday. Oh, here's the quilt from So Kind of Wonderful. Okay. That is a lot of those blocks, and each block has a different mini block inside there. So yeah, I don't know that I'm gonna do it. We'll see. Well, that's all I have for today. I have a couple of Long Arm Tuesday videos that I just need to finish editing, but I don't know. I'm working on the website, and then it takes all day. every day, 8 hours a day. I haven't got that far. Most of it is just a learning thing for me, you know, so I'll try to get some other videos. I just thought maybe need like a little video, and I am going to film this video that I'm getting ready to quilt, and I'll just make it super short and easy to edit and not. So what happens and why I haven't finished editing all those videos is because there's like 50 different clips, and you have to put all the clips together and do some editing, and it just takes a long time. So anyway, see you guys.